Hello guys, this is White LED Mods, and I just got a package in the mail. Let's see what it is. It's my modded controller that I ordered from Gaming Mods. Wow. Hold on, let me put the camera down for a second and open this.
Gentlemen, I give you the future.
Wow, she's a beauty. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Wow. She has LEDs. Look.
I give you the
Stickers, Gaming Mods. Yeah, buddy. Oh my god, so sexy. Yeah. Oh my god. I know you guys can't see it, but there's a button here, here, and here. This is a 13 mode controller. Mode 1.
I give you the future.
Wow. And that's it for the review. Thank you for watching.